In front of me is Oppo Reno C40, and let me show you how to change the keyboard language of this device. So at first, open Messages, then click on Start Chat, and here you've got your current language. To change it, tap on Settings icon, go to Languages, and click on Add Keyboard. Then select the keyboard that you would like to use. You've got plenty of options, so you will definitely find something suitable. Okay, so we've got the end finally. We've got plenty of languages here. Just pick the one that you want to use. Click on Done then, and you can remove unnecessary language, or obviously you can leave both and then switch between them by tapping on space. But this is how it works. So I picked just one language, and now I can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.